Happy Friday, Vintage Dolphins!
Hi, Dolphins. How are you? Happy November.
This is the first time we've seen you since Halloween, and believe it or not, it's the only time we're going to see you before Thanksgiving week, and then we're going to see you next in December. So let's really make it count today for November. All right, we're going to have some real cheesy jokes.
They're actually better this week.
You
I have a
sure?
few jokes, sure. What did one plate say to the other plate? Dinner is on me. Ba-dum-bum. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? Twister. And the last one, how do we know that the ocean is friendly? Because it waves. All right.
Very nice. Well, let's talk about some splash ticket winners. And because these continue to accrue, we've got some that go way back to September and August. So in kindergarten, Moises in Mrs. Rodriguez's class, thank you for being responsible. And Hunter in Miss Tobin's class, thank you for participating in every Zoom meeting. Fantastic job.
In first grade, in Miss Kelly's class, Angela E., awesome focus and participation. And also in Miss Kelly's class, Hudson N., for coming to Zoom prepared.
In second grade, Jackson P. in Miss Cobold's class for being helpful, and Miracle P. in Miss Picazzo's class for being responsible.
In third grade, in Miss Stolf's class, Anthony C. for being responsible, and in Miss Swan's third grade class, Jacob G. for being responsible.
In fourth grade, Sammy P. from Mrs. Lieber and Miss Ulrichson for being so considerate, and Billy L. in Miss Rinder's class for being helpful.
And in fifth grade, in Mrs. Davis's class, Emilio M. for participating during Zoom meetings, and Ian K. in Miss Favalara's class for being responsible. Congratulations.
All right, Dolphins, before we talk about our awesome attendance for the last week and for the month of October, we'd like to introduce you to somebody wonderful who may not be a new face to you because she has been a teacher's aide at Vintage for many years and a parent of 3 wonderful children who are Vintage graduates. But Miss Tanya is our brand new office secretary here at Vintage, and we'd like her to introduce herself to you real quick.
Alrighty, Miss Tanya.
Hi everyone! Can't wait to see you in the office and I can't wait to help you guys out.
It's a good thing Miss Tanya isn't shy, right?
No.
She can't wait to meet all of you guys. And if parents call, then she may be one of the people answering the phone helping you out now.
Behind that Buzz Lightyear mask of hers was a huge smile because she's so excited to be here with all the Dolphins helping you out. And once we're back in school, helping you out with boo-boos and any need that you may have coming up to the office to see an adult, Miss Tanya is going to be here for you.
Absolutely. So now we're going to do a couple of attendance things. First, I have attendance for last week, which was the first week of November. So for our kindergarten and first grade class, we had Miss Tobin, who's still on a roll with 100%, and tied for second place is the rest of kindergarten. Mrs. Rodriguez's class and Mrs. Timmons' class tied at 98.33. Great job, kindergarten. We are so glad how much you are participating and doing the best you can at school, especially since for a lot of you this was your first school. In second and third grade, both Miss Lee's second grade class and Mrs. McCance's third grade class had 100% attendance. Great job.
Way to go.
And for fourth and fifth grades, Mrs. Davis's fifth grade class had 100% attendance. And right on her heels is Miss Ulrichson's fourth grade class with 99.29% attendance.
That's awesome, Miss Mattis, but I want to know about the monthly winners for October.
I can't wait to tell you. So for October, we have our attendance winners, and they will have an additional small prize in their distribution next week on the 18th. And you are also invited to our Turkey Shuffle Dance Party, Thanksgiving themed dance party, and it's about 10 minutes each. Your teachers will have the Zoom links for you, so if you win, your teacher will give you more information, and it's an optional drop-in dance party. So for our kindergarten and first grade class, we actually have a tie, so we're going to have 2 classes participating. We have Mrs. Tobin's kindergarten class. Congratulations with 100% attendance for October. And also for 100% attendance in October, Miss Kelly's first grade class. Congratulations.
So we look forward to seeing some kindergartners and first graders doing that turkey shuffle on Thursday.
And if you think our jokes are cheesy, wait till you see our turkey dances. They are fantastic. In second and third grade, our winner is a second grade class with 98.95% attendance for the month. Miss Lee's second grade class, congratulations.
Nice job. And who are they going to be turkey shuffling with?
Well, our winner in fourth and fifth grade class is a fourth grade class. So Miss Lee's second grade class will be joining Mrs. Reinder's fourth grade class. Congratulations with 98.85% attendance.
Nice job. Way to continue attending school and doing all of your synchronous and your asynchronous work, Dolphins. We're so proud of you. Now, speaking of people who are proud of you, in this coming week, your teachers and your parents and guardians are going to get to have parent-teacher conferences and talk about all the wonderful things that you've done in this first trimester and talk about what some of those next steps are for you guys. So in this coming week, we're going to have class like normal over Zoom, but we're also going to have parent-teacher conferences. And parents and guardians, if you're watching and you haven't yet scheduled one, please reach out to your child's teacher. We also have our last distribution day before the month of December, and on Wednesday of next week, we're going to see you guys coming through. That's when you'll get some of those little attendance prizes that Miss Mattis spoke about. That's going to be on Wednesday the 18th. As always, come on through between 9 and 3:30. What are we going to do 2 days later, Miss Mattis, on the Friday of that week?
I'm so excited. This, I think, is one of my most favorite spirit days for the whole year.
It is Animal and Pet Day. Your teachers will
Yay!
all talk to you about what is allowed and what is not allowed in terms of pets to make sure that everything is school appropriate, even though school happens in your house and your pet might be in your Zoom all the time. Each of your teachers is going to talk to you about what you can do as a class to celebrate Animal and Pet Day on Friday the 20th. Then we go off to Thanksgiving break for a week. Please celebrate and enjoy that time with your loved ones. Relax. Give thanks for all of the good things going on in your world. Even though this has been a really strange year, there's still a lot to give thanks for. I'm very thankful, Miss Mattis, that you are back at Vintage this year. I love working together with you. I just really love that you help me maintain this cheesy spirit here every other Friday.
Thank you so much, and I will make sure to continue my cheesy jokes. I think they're actually pretty good.
All right, after Thanksgiving week, we come back and we have one more November day, and then it is December. So we will see you guys that Friday back on YouTube, Friday, December 4th. Have a wonderful, wonderful, restful, thankful Thanksgiving break, Dolphins.
Take care. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.